Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Clare Kambamettu and I'm a clinical psychologist. What that means is that I try to help people who aren't feeling great feel a little bit better. Today we're going to talk about worry and about a few things that you can do to help yourself if your worries have gotten too big. By the way, it's very normal for all of us human beings to get worried once in a while. The problem is that sometimes worry gets so big, it stops us from doing the things we usually do to have fun, or perhaps the stuff we have to do every day, like speak to our family and friends and go to school. At the moment, things have been very uncertain and there's been lots of changes to our everyday life. And so it's very normal that some people might feel a bit more worried than they used to. If that sounds like you, one of the first things you can do to help yourself with your worry is to make a happy box or a basket. I picked this basket because I like the shape and the handle. You can fill your box with things that make you happy. Maybe some books that you like to read or like to have read to you. Some pictures of memories of happy times. Maybe a colouring book. I've put this egg in my basket because I like to squeeze it if I'm feeling a bit worried. And maybe you'd like to put in some perfume or a little bottle of essential oil that smells really good. Whatever you put into your happy box, make sure it's stuff that really makes you feel happy. And once you've put your box together, you can learn how to change the channel. When we worry, it's like our brain gets stuck on a channel, just like on the TV if you can't find the remote control. We have to learn, when we're feeling worried, to change the channel and think about something different. You could think about something that's in your happy box, or maybe get busy doing something else, like 30 star jumps or a minute of skipping. Another thing you can do is to set a worry time. A worry time is a specific time of the day, maybe half an hour, during which you can talk to your mum, your dad, or somebody else about your worries. There's one rule to worry time, and that's that you don't talk about your worries outside of worry time. Instead, if you're feeling worried, you can write your worry down on a little piece of paper and put it in a worry box, like this one. Close the box up tightly so it doesn't get out and put it to one side until worry time. When it is worry time, you can take your worries out of your box and show them to whoever is there with you. Another thing you can do is to draw a picture of what your worry monster or bully looks like. You can make it as nasty as you want. It might have tentacles or it might have crazy hair. Whatever you want your worry bully to look like, you can make it look like that. And then you need to practice talking back to that worry bully, telling it to get lost or to leave you alone, whatever nasty worries it might tell you to think about. All of these tips, by the way, come from a book called What to Do When You Worry Too Much by Dawn Hubner. It's a great read and I recommend it all of the time. A final thing you can do when you're feeling worried is to take some balloon breaths. Balloon breaths mean putting your hands on your tummy, breathing in for 5 whole seconds and feeling that balloon inside of your tummy inflate and get bigger and bigger and bigger until it feels like it's going to pop. And then you hold that breath in for 6 seconds before breathing out like for 7 seconds. So you imagine filling up a balloon in your tummy and then letting all of the air out of the balloon again. Hopefully those few tips and tricks are helpful in managing some worry. It's a really difficult time, and whatever you do, take care.